To our first alert weather now, and a live look outside. Calm and cold tonight, but gusty winds are heading our way tomorrow.
Chief meteorologist Albert Ramon is in the weather sphere now, timing out what to expect. Albert.
Yes, so our next weather system coming in out of Canada. It's currently stretched across Alberta and Saskatchewan, Providence. That's the one that's headed our direction. It's going to crank up the winds first thing tomorrow morning. By midday tomorrow, 40 to if not 50 mile per hour wind gusts will be possible, and it'll bring us a chance of wintry mix, kind of quick in and out as we head towards tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. Let's go to the northeast, because this is the big blizzard we've been talking about earlier today, and it's beginning to pull away from New England. And even though the snow is going to end in places like in Boston here in the next couple of hours, blizzard warnings remain in effect in Boston because the winds are so strong. And what an impressive system that was. So let's come back home and we'll take a look at what we're tracking. And we're looking at areas of snow in places like Providence, Rhode Island, that have gone now to 3 feet. It's the most Providence, Rhode Island has ever seen from a single snowstorm at 36 inches. As you heard in an earlier report, Central Park in New York City now at over 19 inches of snowfall. Just an incredible blizzard, which is slowly starting to move away from New England and the Northeast. Back here at home, we are tracking winds as we head towards tomorrow morning into the early afternoon. Again, wind gusts topping 40 miles per hour, a couple of bursts of wind up to 50 miles per hour, associated with the same system that will bring us a chance of a wintry mix for tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. Now, Wednesday night, that will come in with our next better chance of measurable snowfall. A lot of the data we're seeing is going to have the best chance of snowfall late Wednesday, mainly in the southwest suburbs. And even though we're chilly today in the 20s, and we'll be chilly in the 30s and 40s for tomorrow, we do have a warming trend. It'll take us back to 55 degrees by the end of the work week. 20s out there right now, winds coming off of Lake Michigan, making it feel like the teens right now. At Midway, feels like 15. That's the current wind chill in Waukegan. So the hour-by-hour forecast showing increasing clouds here for tonight. We're in the 20s tomorrow morning. We make it into the low 40s for tomorrow afternoon. There's 4 o'clock. It's not a big chance, but a quick area of a wintry mix. Rain mixed in with snowflakes, some grapple, and it's going to be out of here by the time we head towards sunset. But this is a look at Wednesday, 9 o'clock in the evening, a chance for some areas of snow, and that could even linger into parts of the area, especially the southwest suburbs, in a Thursday morning. So the bottom line, nothing big in the snowfall department. 1 to 2 inches of snowfall. It's going to be possible as we head towards the middle part of next week. For tomorrow, it'll be milder at 40 degrees, 35 on Wednesday with that chance of some snow in the evening time, and that extends into early Thursday morning. The high temperature on Thursday at 40. More sunshine, and we're going to start warming up. We like that on Friday at 55. Still some gusty winds. Preview the weekend, kind of a split weekend. 41 on Saturday, cooler at 32 with a chance of some snow showers on Sunday, and even some lingering areas of snow showers will be possible for the morning commute a week from today. Erica and Joe will send it back to you.
Thanks, Albert.